Want to earn extra money using AI tools, even if you have no experience? Stay until the end for a creative idea that could surprise you and help you get started tonight. To get started, use ChatGPT or Claude.ai to help you make short, helpful guides on topics like studying or travel. Turn your guide into a PDF with Canva and sell it on Ko-fi or Payhip. This is a quick way to help others and earn money with AI support. AI tools can help you gather ideas and organize your guide in minutes. People like buying simple guides that answer their questions fast. You do not need to be an expert. Just share what you know and let AI help you polish it. You can make guides on almost any topic, from packing lists to study tips. Selling digital downloads means you can reach people anywhere. This is a simple way to start earning micro-income online. Recommendation number 2. Offer micro-editing services for social media bios or online profiles. Use AI tools to suggest improvements and make bios clear and catchy. List your service on Fiverr or share it in online creator groups for quick clients. Many people want help making their profiles stand out, but do not know where to start. You can finish each bio in about 15 minutes, making this a fast way to earn small amounts. This service is easy to start and does not need special training. You can use AI to check grammar and suggest better words. The 5th idea in this video is especially fun if you like creating with AI. And number 3, design digital wallpapers that include helpful prompts like daily goals or study timers. Use Canva to make your designs and sell them on Etsy or Creative Market. Wallpapers with useful reminders are popular with students and remote workers. You can create different themes, such as calming quotes or productivity tips. People enjoy having screens that look good and help them stay focused. Selling digital wallpapers is a creative way to earn micro-income with simple tools. You do not need to be a designer to start. Just use templates and add your ideas. Digital products can be sold many times without extra work. This is a great way to use AI and design tools together. Number 4. Build a local resource map showing free Wi-Fi, parks, or food pantries in your area. Use Google My Maps to create your map and share it as a digital download. Promote your map in neighborhood groups or online forums for small tips or fees. People appreciate easy access to local resources, especially if they are new to the area. Your map can help others while earning you micro-income. This idea works well if you know your community and want to share helpful information. You can update your map as new places open or close. Sharing digital maps is a simple way to help others and earn at the same time. This method is quick to set up and can grow as your map becomes more popular. Finally, create custom AI prompt packs for teachers, writers, or business owners. Use your knowledge of AI tools to write prompts that help people get better results. Sell your prompt packs on Gumroad or PromptBase and offer personalized versions for extra income. You can start with a small set of prompts and add more as you learn what people need. Selling prompt packs is a new way to use your AI skills. This idea is easy to try and can help you build micro-income quickly. Many people want to use AI, but do not know how to write good prompts. Your packs can save them time and help them get more from tools like ChatGPT. This is a fun way to earn money if you enjoy experimenting with AI. As a recap, here are 5 micro-income ideas using AI tools that you can start today. Create micro-guides with AI. Offer micro-editing for social bios. Sell digital wallpapers with prompts. Share local resource maps. And make custom AI prompt packs. Each idea is simple, low cost, and does not require special experience. You can test them quickly and see what works best for you. Even small earnings can add up over time. These steps can help you grow your savings or add to your 401k. Try one tonight and see how far you can go. Check back on this channel, the Zennial Files, for future advice.